a reality. I hear some analysts say big data will go away in about 5 years. It's not going away anywhere. The data volumes are just going to grow more and more. The data velocity is just going to grow more and more. We'll have more and more data, and we have to come up with these solutions to either process all this data or come up with the workarounds to somehow manage all this data. Tsunami, I would say, in some ways. Businesses have to go back and look at their challenges, what will help them grow their business, what will help them beat their competition, understand their customers, and then focus on those kind of projects, those kind of metrics, versus saying we need a big data project. Because big data is nothing but a term created by marketing to create that hype. That's how they can overcome the hype, by focusing on their business metrics that are important to them. Well, big data, the challenges I've seen are the same. If you look at any company, all around the world, most of us have heard of the 4 V challenges of big data. Volume, velocity, variety, and value. And we are seeing the same challenges pretty much everywhere. Businesses are struggling with the volume of data that they need to handle, with the different formats of data that they need to handle, with the speed at which the data arrives, and how to derive value from it. So those are the 4 V's that we are seeing everywhere. I would say the challenges are very similar, but much bigger, because big data, unlike the cloud, big data, the term creates more fear, uncertainty, and doubt, the FUD factor, as I call it. And companies are struggling. And also the tools that are out there for overcoming these challenges are not simple to implement, unlike the cloud challenge. So we are seeing a bigger hill that needs to be climbed to overcome this challenge compared to the cloud challenge. But I guess we've seen success in other markets, so I'm thinking slowly India will also adopt and understand how they can leverage big data in the right fashion. The adoption has not been good, is the short answer. But the good thing is that there is a lot of excitement around big data. The meetings I've had, there's a lot of excitement around understanding what big data means for them, how they can leverage big data to improve their business, generate more revenues. There's also a bit of, I guess, people are feeling scared of it, because most of the technologies around big data require specialized IT skills, and they don't have those skills in-house. So I've seen some bit of fear factor, or people not aware of what to do, how to handle this challenge. What's different out here in India is the data volumes we are dealing with. Given the size of the population, the numbers we deal with are a lot larger than in other places. So if in the US market, we would say build an application to process big data with 1 million users, in India that could be 10 million or 25 million users. So the numbers are drastically different. But pretty much, if you look at the conceptual level, the challenges are the same. Well, they need to look at their data growth internally, and they need to look at their business objectives, and they need to look at if they need to do something different to process all that data within their environment. It could be something where they're trying to understand the customer better, and they realize that they can get more data, more information about the customer by going outside their environment. So not just looking at data internal to their environment, but also looking at, say, the social networking data or customer location data. So those are the kind of things that will make the business realize that this is the right time to start leveraging big data to create more opportunities internally within the business. So always look at your objectives, always look at your data growth patterns to make that decision. We are seeing a lot of interest in the financial services, in the banking, in the retail, in the media sectors. So I think these verticals we are seeing will be the early adopters of big data. And the reason being that they are the ones who are dealing with real-time data much more than the other verticals. And that's the reason they're facing the challenges much sooner or much quicker than the other verticals. I've seen big data play a key part in several governments outside of India, and I'm sure it will do the same in the Indian government industry, because if you look at the government sector, it's dealing with large volumes of data, especially given the Indian population. The data sizes are much bigger than the other countries. So it will play a key role. In the US, we have sites like data.gov, which have all the government data available on a single site. I'm sure the Indian government will do something similar for everyone to leverage all the large data sets available. And we've seen usage of big data in areas like crime, weather patterns, threats from external entities, terrorism, and things like that. Even internal things like voting, census, So there are several use cases within the government where big data can add value. So we'll see some adoption hopefully in the Indian government also. We see India as a big opportunity for us. As I mentioned, the data volumes are much larger out here. So Terracotta, that's why is having this event this afternoon, with several of our prospects to help them understand what big data can do for them. So initially there'll be, I guess, a few weeks focused on educating the people what big data means, how they can leverage big data to improve their business. And then the second phase will be how to really implement the solutions to get to that more increased revenue, overcoming the competition phase. So we have a dedicated team of people out here, and I think we plan to work according to plan over the next few months to realize that.